All right. Now, in terms of what else do I want to show you? To switch on this on and off, if you have your battery, in, okay, and this is the menu function. I'm yet to actually also look at it because but I just wanted to give you a quick review in case you want to put your SD card as well as your camera, your battery is actually here. So over here, you just, this button, you bring it this way and it pops up. You see there is some blue button inside. You just pull it this way and then your battery comes out and you can take out your battery. You see? So let's take out the battery. So I was given this battery and at the same time they gave me this additional battery and the battery charger. All right, so you have two options in order to charge the camera. You could charge the camera internally. You put your battery this way. Always look before you put it this way, okay, and then you just put it in and press and it gets locked. You close it. Yes, you close it, and then you pick your USB Type-C cable, which is this. Let me drop this, okay, which is this. You open this cabinet, okay, you open here, you fix the USB Type-C into the USB Type-C port. This part, you connect it to this adapter that comes with the kit, okay. It comes with the camera, so you fix this one here. All right, so you have something like this, and then you pick. For me, I was lucky, they actually gave me a lot. As I said, I have either this or something like this, so I just fix this here, and then this goes to my AC socket for me to charge the battery internally. In case I want to charge the battery externally, I was also given the external charger. I was very, very lucky. I suggest that if you want to buy the Sony ZV-E10 from Amazon or anywhere at all, eBay or wherever, please make sure you search Sony ZV-E10 podcast kit, okay. When you search that way, you get the complete kit at a reasonable price. The only thing that I bought apart, let's say outside the kit, was the Bluetooth handheld handle, okay. So this particular one, which costed like 130 or so, I can't remember, 180, I can't remember. So this was what I bought separately, but all these other accessories that I'm showing you, I got all of them together with the camera at a very cheap price of 700 and something euros. All right, so this is the additional battery that I'm talking about that I was given. So this is the additional battery that is here that I was given, and this is the battery charger. So let me show you how you can use your battery charger. Okay, so even the battery charger comes with yet another cable, so they just spoiled me, honestly. Like, this is the battery charger that I was given with the kit with my additional battery. So you see I have two batteries, so this is the this is the battery charger. I have another battery. The other battery is inside the camera, right? Okay, so this is the other additional battery. The battery that is inside can be charged with this external charger too, as I explained. So to charge your battery, you just fix it this way, you are good to go. I was given yet another cable, so I have enough. I just put any of these, I could pick any of these. If I pick this one, or if I want, I can pick this, for instance, put it here, and then plug it to my AC socket. When I plug it, you see there will be some yellow green light indicator here, and when all the lights go off, it means the battery is fully charged. So that's pretty much it. And I wanted to also show you With the Bluetooth handle, I will be making videos to show you how to use the Bluetooth handle and all of that later on, okay? But you just put it here. You see there is this, so just fix it here, okay? Just screw it, you know, and then you have your camera this way, right? All right, and the other thing was about how to put your SD card. Okay, so let me show you that one too. Your SD card is in the same cabinet where the battery is. So if I should pull this here and it pops open. You see, this is to remove the battery. As I told you, you just click here, the battery comes out. So but you see that beside the battery is actually a chamber for your SD card. So you have your SD card here, okay? You just put it in the adapter and then you push it in, okay? You just push it in. Let me show you how we can do that quickly. So I don't even know where to open my SD card. I don't want to tear it. I want to be all right. There we go. I need like a scissors to cut open this. Okay, lucky enough I have a scissors here. Okay, so you insert your micro SD card here. I think it's this way, right? You insert it this way, and then you're gonna put it into your camera, right? So this way, okay, and then you just push it in this way, and it's locked. You know, to remove it, so when you press down, it's locked. You can close this cabinet. To open the cabinet, you open this way. To remove your SD card, you press on it and it pops up and you can take it off, you know. So that is, what else haven't we looked at? I think we've looked at all the different accessories. I also have this small bag. I don't know how to even put the camera inside this, you know, or is it for the charger? I don't know. So that is it, and in my future videos I will be showing you how to set up your camera, be it for live streaming, be it for podcast, be it for vlogging, you know, with the Bluetooth handle and all of that. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.